Good day, employers. My name is Edeline Rivera, 42 years old, married. I have 3 kids, one boy, 19 years old, two girls, 17 years old, and 12 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I am currently living in San Carlos City, Pangasinan, Philippines. I have 2 years experience as domestic helper in Singapore. I serve 5 members in the family, 3 adults and 2 kids. My main duties are taking care of the child, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and gardening, and also taking care of the pets. I work in Saudi Arabia 1 year only because I got family problem. That's why I go back home. My main duties are taking care of autism child, cooking, washing, and cleaning. To my future employer, please hire me because I'm hardworking, polite, honest, responsible, respectful, and most especially, I'm patient to the children. And I'm willing to taking care of newborn babies and elderly. I'm a happy person. Thank you very much, Madam and Sir.